Hey everybody, I'm Dave. Today I'm going to show you how to make real deal Texas chili inside a Kamado Joe. I'm talking smoky, slow simmer perfection that you just can't get in a pot on the stove. In Texas, we like our beans, we like our chili, but what we don't like is beans in our chili. Nope, that will not do. Texas chili is bold, spicy, and full of meat, and the Kamado Joe is the perfect tool to make it. I'm going to show you how to make a big pot of red that any Texan would be proud of. Let's get cooking.
You can't have amazing chili without amazing ingredients. For that true, hearty Texas texture, you need beef chuck roast cut into half-inch cubes. I've got 3 pounds of prime chuck roast with a lot of marbling right here. As this cooks down, it will get incredibly tender, but still hold its shape. First things first, the fire. The foundation of any great cook is a solid fire, so we're filling the firebox with good quality lumped charcoal. You want enough for a long cook, so fill it up. I'm not using any wood, just charcoal. It will add plenty of smoky flavor to the chili. Set up the grill for direct heat. I'm using my half-moon cast-iron griddle to toast the chilies and sear the meat. If you don't have a griddle plate, use a cast-iron skillet or carbon steel skillet. Just remember to use a pot holder because the handle will be hot. For the chilies, I'm using a mix of 5 different dried chilies. Get the griddle nice and hot and then toast the chilies for about a minute. Turn them over and toast them for another minute. Let them cool, remove the stems and seeds, and cut them into 1-inch pieces. Soak them in hot water for 20 minutes, then drain the chili pieces. Add them to a blender with a cup of water and blend. Next, we sear the beef. This is where the Maillard reaction creates a deep brown crust that builds a flavor foundation for the chili. I'm not trying to cook the beef all the way through, just seared all the way around. I've replaced the griddle plate with a cast iron grate and have heated up a Dutch oven over direct heat. Add the bacon and cook it for 8 minutes. Then remove the bacon, add the diced onion and cook that until softened, about 6 minutes. Then add the bacon back, stir in the garlic and cook for 1 minute. Now the tricky part. Remove the Dutch oven and carefully reconfigure the Kamado Joe for indirect heat. I've added the heat deflectors, closed the top vent, and set my fireboard for 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the Dutch oven on the grates and stir in the seared meat. Add the coffee, your favorite barbecue beverage, water, the chili mixture, cumin, oregano, allspice, cayenne, and the crushed tomatoes. Give it a good stir and leave it uncovered and close the lid. Now the hard part. Wait. Let it simmer for 5 hours and add additional water if necessary. We're going to let this simmer for 5 hours. It's a good idea to give it a stir every hour or so just to make sure nothing is sticking. After 5 hours, mix the Masa Harina with a half a cup of water in a small bowl. Then stir it into the chili and mix it well. Just look at that. The chili has a gorgeous, deep, dark red mahogany color. You can see the chunks of tender beef, and that beautiful red oil has risen to the top. That, my friends, is the sign of a magnificent Texas chili. Serve it with sharp cheddar cheese and some finely diced onion. For something different, try Frito Pie. Ladle a big helping of Texas chili on top of Frito corn chips and top it with onion and cheddar cheese. I hope you'll give this one a try. It is, hands down, my favorite way to make chili, and it's the perfect way to spend an afternoon with your Kamado Joe. Hey, if you liked the video, please subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll see you next time on Austin's Kamado Joe Masterclass.